Spring Valley is it's a unique kind of tech startup because we wanted to leverage also real estate, no. The original vision of Spring Valley was to create the Silicon Valley of the Philippines. Wow, diba?
Wow talaga.
Masyadong mayabang, masyadong tikalo ang tawag namin sa ano, no. And we wanted to build it. But when we talk about real estate, obviously Metro Manila is very cost prohibitive. Diba? Unlike here in the countryside, medyo mas mura pa yung lupa. We are going to be launching a farm management platform called FAMAS. Hindi FAMAS Awards, no? But it's farm management system. And then there is a fulfillment mechanism there called Mercado. But at the same time, FAMAS will not only provide you with efficiency in terms of your farm operations. So kami, we're going to basically PSG, pansariling gamit. We're building it to make our own operations.
Kayo na yung user niya, sir.
Kami muna yung user, but we're also asking certain farms to Dahil eventually, when these things become digital and when Department of Agriculture hears about this, makikita nila na, pwede na natin i-calibrate kung ano yung itatanim ng bawat farm para hindi naman law of supply and demand pa rin yan